So welcome. Today I'm going to be answering Global Cover's question. Do you lie to get the viewing or do you tell the truth and get rejected? So if you like that, you're in the right place. And if you want your question answered by me right here on the YouTube, comment below with the question, okay? Just hashtag ask me anything, okay? Ask me anything and I will see, oh, that's a question they want answering and I will do it. I have two approaches to sourcing deals, or should I say, sourcing deals through letting agents. The first one is direct, and that is, hi there, Mr. Agent, Mrs. Agent. I've seen a property on Smith Street. Would it be possible to get a viewing? That's it. Okay, and this script that I use is available on simonsmithonline.com, by the way, if you want a free copy. So, I'm just asking for the viewing, and if they give me the viewing, I'm not explaining exactly what we're doing. Why? Because it doesn't matter at this point. I've not even seen the property. I don't even know if I want the property yet. And then sometimes they will say, who's the property for? And I will say, yes, it's for my company, and we'll leave it at that. So that's the indirect approach, which isn't lying, Global Cover, but it is kind of like not oversharing. The second option you've got is the direct. That is, hi, Mrs. Agent, I've seen a property on Smith Street available to let, okay? Do you do company lets? Would the landlord consider a company let? We're working with XX and X. And then you're literally gonna get, yeah, we can do that, or no, we can't do that. But either way, you know where you're at. So you will get less viewings. So your conversion rate will go down, but the conversions you get, you know that they are on board from the start. The problem is, all the letting agents I've worked with have never done company let rent to rent before. So I've had to I've had to sort of show them and work through it together and build rapport and make them know that it's worth it. So if I would have done the direct approach with them, they might have been like, don't know this, don't know you, no. So it's not a case of lying. It's a case of guided discovery. It's a case of doing what's right to get the viewing. Remember, top tip. On the first call, we're not trying to sell rent to rent or company lets or guaranteed rent. We're trying to get the viewing. The viewing is the end game, not the deal. On the viewing, we then start to pitch the deal. So don't skip that step. I hope that's useful. If you want your question answering, comment below with hashtag ask me anything and I will feature your question, all the good ones right here, and I'll see you in the next video. So make sure you subscribe, make sure, otherwise you might miss yours. See you in a bit.